Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Population growth problems are easy once you spot key phrases. We will find the correct differential equation for this decreasing population in 3 quick steps. The problem states the rate of change is proportional to the population itself. This means our derivative must be equal to a constant multiplied by the variable p right now. Because the population is decreasing over time, that constant of proportionality must be negative. We need an equation where the derivative equals a negative number times the current population p. Looking at her choices, only option A fits both requirements perfectly. It shows a negative rate that is directly proportional to the population p. Boom! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Always trust given info and check steps.